Some crypto news Thursday, April 29, 2021.
Former U.S. regulator joins Square to lead Bitcoin policy. Payments giant Square, which supports Bitcoin development through its branch Square Crypto and offers BTC to retail investors through Cash App, has added Julie Stitzel, the former vice president at the U.S. Chamber of Commerce's Center for Capital Markets Competitiveness, to lead its Bitcoin policy unit. Stitzel will be leading teams within Cash App on the evolving Bitcoin policy sphere, a Square spokesperson told CoinDesk. Stitzel will help Square advance our strategic and long-term thinking on crypto issues and will help drive education and engagement with outside parties who work in this space, the spokesperson said.
Residents of Caribbean island can conduct local transactions using Bitcoin. The more than 5,000 residents of an island that forms a part of St. Vincent and the Grenadines can use crypto as a means of payment. According to a report from Euronews, both residents and visitors to the island of Bequia can use Bitcoin to pay for goods and services ranging from property to food at one of the local eateries. The One Bequia project, backed by entrepreneur Storm Gonsalves, is building luxury villas on the island for sale in BTC. Gonsalves said the move to accept crypto was aimed at solving the issue of traditional financial systems abandoning Caribbean islands. The adoption of cryptocurrencies is far from being a gimmick, said Gonsalves. It's a response to the very real challenges faced by island communities increasingly cut off from mainstream banking facilities.
JPMorgan to provide wealthy clients access to Bitcoin funds. Investment bank JPMorgan Chase is set to provide its wealthy clients access to Bitcoin funds. The funds could be available as early as this summer, with the bank set to join Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs in allowing its clients to gain exposure to the leading cryptocurrencies. Two sources close to the matter revealed that JPMorgan would work with institutional Bitcoin firm NYDIG. The firm will serve as JPMorgan's custody provider for the Bitcoin funds. One of the sources added that JPMorgan intends to manage the Bitcoin funds themselves. By actively managing its Bitcoin funds, JPMorgan would be offering a different business model to those of Pantera Capital and Galaxy Digital, two of the leading cryptocurrency funds providers. The duo allows their clients to buy and hold BTC through funds without touching the cryptocurrencies themselves.
How the VeChain-based E-HCert app will mitigate COVID-19 in Cypru. A solution based on VeChain will help people in Cyprus to combat COVID-19. The digital transformation consultant at Mediterranean Hospital of Cyprus, Chris Penner, announced the launch of the new E-HCert app. Built as part of a partnership with Identity, a company specialized in pharmaceutical and healthcare solutions, the app will operate as an electronic test enabling a user to validate lab results that corroborate that he is COVID-19 free. The information collected by the app will be guaranteed by blockchain VeChain Thor and be transmitted from and to the Mediterranean Hospital in Cyprus. Therefore, the E-HCert app has been implemented as digital proof.
Japanese gaming giant Nexon buys $100 million worth of Bitcoin, BTC, from reserve cash. On Wednesday, the 28th of April, Japanese gaming giant Nexon announced that it has purchased around $100 million worth of Bitcoins from its excess reserve cash. The company has confirmed that this aggregate investment in Bitcoin is less than 2% of its reserve cash or equivalent cash in hand. Interestingly, the purchase happens at a price point that is close to $60,000. This shows the confidence that Bitcoin garners among corporations even while trading around its record highs. The press release states that Nexon purchased a total of 1,717 Bitcoins at an average price of approximately $58,226, $6,446,183 yen, per Bitcoin, inclusive of fees and expenses.
U.S. government sells 9.45 BTC at significant market discount. The U.S. government sold 9.45 BTC during a 4-day auction that closed earlier this week, with the Bitcoin being purchased at a notable discount compared to market prices. The auction was performed by XA Auctions, a service of the United States General Service Administration, XA, that functions as the federal government's online clearinghouse for surplus, federally owned assets and equipment. Cryptocurrency is certainly some of the most unique items to ever come up for public sale on our XA Auctions platform. But the excitement from our bidders is undeniable, said Thomas Mirren, regional commissioner with XA's Federal Acquisition Service. According to a release about the recent Bitcoin auction, it goes without saying that you never know what you're going to find on XA Auctions.
Coinbase offers customers a way to purchase crypto using PayPal. In an announcement from Coinbase today, the crypto exchange said it would be allowing its customers based in the US to buy crypto using debit cards and bank accounts linked to their PayPal accounts. Coinbase said the move would let many users bypass automated clearinghouse and wire transfers, methods the exchange still offers, to fund crypto purchases. The integration will reportedly allow Coinbase users with PayPal accounts to buy crypto instantly without adding bank account information or credit card numbers directly to the exchange. Users will be able to purchase up to $25,000 in crypto daily using payment methods from PayPal.
Visa deepens crypto foray, stating they see Bitcoin as digital gold. During Visa's Q2 2021 earnings call, the company showed interest in fully integrating a cryptocurrency payment system into its current infrastructure, with several interesting elements that would push the boundaries of the bridge between legacy finance and the crypto world as we know it. Most notably, Visa CEO Alfred Kelly stated that the company viewed Bitcoin and other crypto assets as digital gold.
University of Wyoming allocates $4 million to staking 3 cryptocurrencies. The University of Wyoming is allocating $4 million to running nodes and staking at least 3 cryptocurrencies. The news was shared to Twitter on April 28 by Caitlin Long, a Wyoming blockchain and fintech select committee appointee and founder of Avanti Bank and Trust, a local bank servicing the digital asset sector. The documentation posted by Long notes the university appropriated $4 million from the state's Strategic Investments and Projects Fund to establish, operate, and maintain nodes and staking pools for no less than 3 publicly tradable cryptocurrencies.
Algorand partners with pNetwork to build cross-chain bridges. pNetwork, a system composed of multiple validators to achieve cross-chain composability, will allow assets to be interoperable with Algorand, a pure proof-of-stake blockchain. This network is natively complex to be connected with other protocols. The cooperation is set to tackle this issue and expand Algorand ecosystem. The cooperation will enable Algorand to support some of the most relevant tokens and cryptocurrencies in the industry, such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BNB, Litecoin, LTC, EOS, Polygon, Matic, and many others. These cryptocurrencies are already cross-chain connected with pNetwork. The system has one of the highest numbers of bridges in the crypto space.
Paxos raises $300 million in Series D funding. Paxos, a blockchain and crypto asset infrastructure platform, today announced it has closed a $300 million Series D round of funding. E-HCert led the round, with participation from previous investors' declaration partners, PayPal Ventures, Mithril Capital, Senator Investment Group, Liberty City Ventures, WestCat, and more. The funds will be used to help Paxos continue investing in the development of enterprise-grade infrastructure while deepening its commitment to regulation, reliability, and security. The company will accelerate growth by hiring new team members across all functions, scaling its operations, increasing platform capacity, and investing in innovation.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Good luck.